Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian and welcome to another one of my videos. Alright, today I'm going to do an unboxing of this iPad case for third generation iPad Air 2019 version, and it's a tough case with a sling, good for carrying on site in certain situations. Okay, so let's get into it. But before that, I hope you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and click on the bell so that you get notified of my future videos. Alright, so let's start. Let's take out my unboxing knife and cut this open. Alright, done. Open this up. Alright, I need more cutting here. Alright, and some cutting here, and some more cutting here. Let's keep this sharp knife away. Open this up. Alright, so this is the case. Let's take it out first. Some foam, and they gave me a, let's take everything out. So this seller gave me a free gift. This is a glass, tempered glass. Somehow it's cut open. I'm not too sure why. And but yeah. Okay, so this is a free gift for buying something from them. And what is this? Let's cut this open, open this up. I assume this is the sling for the case that I bought. So not too sure what this is. It's like some kind of a tool, and this should be the sling. Let's see if I'm twisting this in the correct direction. Yes, I am. Okay, so this is the sling with the buckle. This is the buckle, right? And this is the other side of the buckle. Alright, so let's put this one side and focus on the case itself. So this is an unknown brand which I bought on Taobao, and it's a Chinese website, and everything here is in Chinese except for some English words which I don't quite understand what they are trying to say. Well, hard design, which I don't really understand why. Carefully selected materials, durable leather, PC, TPU, whatever. Okay, I don't really read all this. So let's take this out from the box. Nothing in here. Put the box one side. And there you go. So it comes with this clip, right, with the belt. Let's put this one side. It's got this Pirate series case. So it's got the hard cover in front, and then you have your iPad, and then you have the back casing with the, and then you have the soft silicone outer shell. Okay, so don't really read this. So it shows you some instructions on how to install it and how to use the stand. It comes with a stand and with a support holder behind, and yeah, pretty good. Okay, so let's try this out. So I think it's got a clip here, and it's got a clip here. So let's open up the clip. It's got a clip on this side. this is the bottom of the iPad case. There's a clip here as well. Okay, so many clips. Right, so I have unclipped the front cover. Okay, let's put this one side. It's paper, and you've got your rubber or silicone, whichever way you want to pronounce it. So you open up the silicone outer shell from the hard shell, the hard inner shell. So once you take this out, so the rubber is here, and this is the hard inner shell. Okay, it's got this support holder behind with the Velcro. Whoa. Okay, so you can put your hand in there and then tighten it again so you can hold the iPad whichever way you want. Okay, you can hold it like that, and I think you could rotate it, and then you've got a stand at the bottom here. You can open it up, you can stand it up. I think there you go, clicks, and you can stand it up like that. Okay, alright, so let's put on the iPad. First I got to figure out how to close this back, which I don't know. Okay, anyway, so let's take my iPad out and try to fit it in. Right, so I've got my iPad Air here. As you can see, this is the 2019 iPad Air with the connectors here on the side. Okay, so let's try it out. So what goes where? So there's a hole here, so I assume this hole here goes right here. Okay, so it works. Okay, so before that I should try to figure out how to put this back, which I don't know how. Ah, there you go. So you just got to lift up. So there's a catch here. So you just got to lift up from here, press it down, and that's it. Alright, so I've got my iPad in the case. So all I need to do now is to put the silicone outer shell onto it. Okay, let's try to do that with two hands. It's not that simple. Now the reason why I'm getting this case is because I work in a very rough environment and I need to protect my iPad. So I got this really cheap case. It's about 12 to 15 US dollars for this really cheap case. And you know, basically I'm a very careful person when it comes to my gadgets, but I just want to have a precaution just in case, you know, something happens, an accident, and my iPad is safe. No, I know that my iPad is safe. Alright, so let's try to do this double quick time. Well, the silicone is pretty smooth. It's not a very rough type of silicone, or silicone, whatever way you pronounce it. So okay, so this silicone outer shell is in place, right? So it's now in place. You look at the back, it's now here, so it's not blocking the camera, and it's got this, I think this is the microphone if I'm not wrong, so it's not blocking this as well. And It's got a flap here for your charging port, which I don't think this case is waterproof, but you know, I don't expect it to be anyway. So yeah, there you go. So that goes there, and now it's time to put on the front cover, which is pretty simple. It's just a few clips. Just make sure the clips go into place, and that's it. Alright, so that's how you put it on. Now I want to know how to put on the clips. Right, so let's try trial and error. I think the clips go on the side here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think there's a small little hole here. Well, maybe I should read the instructions. Maybe I should read on how to install this. You know what? They don't even show how to connect these clips, because I see some holes here, so it might be it goes into that little hole there, which I'll try. Oh, so I think the reason why they gave me this tool is for me to try to push this into the hole. Let's try it. There you go. Right. So I'm pushing this into the hole. Try to fish it out on the other side, but it doesn't seem to be coming out. So let me push it a bit further in. Now that's weird. So let's just stuff it in and hope it comes out on the other side. Alright, so this is not easy. It's pretty hard to get through, but you know, you pay for what you get. Right? Don't expect so let's see, maybe I should try to hook it or try to push it in. Is it coming out? No, it's not. Alright, sorry guys, I'm taking a little bit too long to put this on, but you know, you pay for what you get. So let's try to fish it out on this side, but it doesn't seem to be coming out on the other side, so let's try to stuff it in a little bit more until it comes out. Oh, okay, so I see a little bit of the strap coming out on this side, so I'm just gonna try to pull it out. And there you go. So the strap has gone through. Alright, and I'm just going to hook it around the clip. And that's it. Yeah. So I'm going to do the other side. Okay. Try and push it in again. Okay, so this side is a little bit easier. Okay, and then just loop it over the clip. All right, and pull it out, and that's it. Yeah, so let's take the strap out. So I've got my strap here, and all I need to do is clip it on this side, and then I'll clip it on this side. So now I can strap my iPad wherever I go, and it's sturdy, it's hard, it's nice. I like the feel of the silicone. It feels cheap, but I feel safe. Okay, so yeah, so this is a very quick unboxing of this iPad Air 3rd generation hard case with a sling. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.